Types of videos. There are many different types of videos, and each one is used in a different scenario. So let's just do a quick run through so you understand the terminology and what we're talking about when we talk about these different types of videos. Well, number one, there is live footage. That kind of makes sense. It's basically someone being filmed or a scene, a scenario being filmed. Now, there are different types of live footage videos. And one of the most popular ones that I want to show you is a talking head video. That means you just have a person, you see their head, and they're talking to you. That's why it's a talking head video. And this is an example of one of those. Then there can be also stock videos. We're going to cover video blocks and all these different types of videos you can get from there. For example, if you want to find a stock footage of a rocket launching, that's a 10-second clip, then you could find one. And there are different types of really cool videos on video blocks that you can actually buy and use within your videos. Now, another one is an explainer video. And these explainer videos are oftentimes used when you're trying to sell something, or maybe you're trying to explain an opportunity. I'm sure you've seen some of these. What's the best explainer video style? And this, it takes you basically through all of these different very cool animations. And they're often used when you're trying to do a sales video. So that's another one. Then another type of video is a whiteboard video. This is also one that's become very popular lately. And if we look at one of those, then it looks like this, and everything is being drawn there via a whiteboard and via a hand that's drawing everything kind of like on a whiteboard, and it engages the audience. Oftentimes, these are also used when it comes to creating a sales video. Now, next is just a photo slideshow. And these oftentimes can even be created in PowerPoint, sometimes to display maybe a vacation. It's just a bunch of photos and it goes from one photo to another. Or if you just want the audience to focus in and really hear your voice without them being distracted by something on the screen. Then there's just a PowerPoint presentation, someone taking you through one. For example, right now, the video that I'm recording, the slides, those are a PowerPoint presentation. But the key thing is there are many types, and you don't have to know or be an expert with all of them. We're going to cover these different types of videos and how you can use them, but it's important to know in which scenarios you can use these different types of videos. So what about easy sales videos? Those are also PowerPoint ones, or there are different softwares out there that create them, but it's just basically text on a PowerPoint that takes you through a sales message, so you really focus. You're not distracted by any graphics. You only focus on the text, and they take you through that entire sales process. Now, there are screen shares. Right now, for example, I'm doing a screen share, so I'm doing both a PowerPoint video, right, and a screen share video where maybe you use something, we use Camtasia, use one of these softwares in order to record your screen. And the cool thing is I can use PowerPoint to record this PowerPoint video, but I don't, because if I use PowerPoint, then I can't switch for you and show you other things, maybe like my browser, and things of that nature, which PowerPoint restricts you with. And then last but not least are webinar videos. So if you do webinars, maybe using GoToWebinar, you have a live audience, 100 people, 60 minutes, you give them content about video marketing, about Facebook marketing, then you could do it, and you can go and take the video, upload it to YouTube once it's rendered. And GoToWebinar, for example, that's one of the webinar softwares, actually offers an option where it records it for you, and then you just have to render that video, upload it to something like YouTube. And this is an example of one. You see, it's about 80 minutes long, and it talks about Facebook marketing. So those are your different types of videos. Like I said, remember, there are many types. Just understand them when we talk about them, so you have the terminology down, and we'll go more in depth as the course goes on.